This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the laptop and opening settings. You need an admin account and a charged battery. Once done, save open files so updates won't interrupt. Now click Start, type Settings, and open Network and Internet or Connections depending on your OS. This is the gateway to data controls. Make sure to pick the interface currently in use, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Doing this first reduces confusion later and ensures changes apply to the correct network. Next, find data usage or background apps within Network and Internet. You'll want to set the active network as a metered connection to stop automatic syncs. This tells the system to conserve data. Then open App Permissions or Background Apps list and toggle off apps you don't need running. For more control, limit per app bandwidth or use a firewall rule. This step reduces unseen transfers and gives you measurable savings, so make changes deliberately and review any critical apps before disabling them. Finish by restarting the laptop so all network settings and app restrictions take effect. Once the system boots, monitor data usage in settings for 24 to 48 hours to confirm background traffic dropped. This tells you if further tightening is needed. If an essential app stops working, re-enable it selectively and test it alone to isolate the issue. If changes don't stick, check for group policies or management software. Those often override local settings, and you'll need to adjust them or contact your admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.